Morning, friends. Let me talk on the game Baghbandi. I created this macro on September 30, 2017, so it's quite an old one. So to start with, Baghbandi is an Indian traditional game played all over India in different names. In Bengal, we call it Baghbandi. In UP, they call it Baghcheli and Bakri. There are different names. So basically, the game is played with one tiger or two tigers, but I have extended the game up to five tigers. So let us start playing it. So you have the option to play as a tiger or as a goat. And there are five tigers. These red dots are tigers. One, two, three, four, five. And there are 4 into 8, 32 goats. The aim of the tiger is to clear the goats by jumping over the goat. If the tiger jumps from here to this light red circle, one goat gets killed. So that way, the aim of the tiger is to clear the board. The aim of the goats is to trap the tiger. The goats can only move to an adjacent circle. The aim of the goats is to trap the tiger. So all the moves happen along the lines. It's a traditional Baghbandi or Baghchili board. I'm playing with five tigers. Let me play as a goat. So the tiger jumped from center to this corner and one goat got killed. So I blocked the jump. Next jump it can come back here killing one more goat. So I blocked this jump. So now there are so many kills. So let me play calmly. I can block this jump here. Now if I put a goat here, it will get killed. So I can't block this jump. So let me okay. Now let me capture the corners. Now let me stop the jump. I can't place a goat here because it will get killed by this tiger. So let me capture the corner. Now I can. With 32 goats, it is easy to trap five tigers. So and I have got a green. So I have one as goat. All the tigers are trapped now. They cannot move anywhere. Let me play with four tigers and let me play as a tiger. So the tiger has the first move and the goat is played by the algorithm. Uh, say the algorithm for the goat is not that good. It gets repetitive. See? There is a threshold below which goats won't be able to capture the tiger anymore, and then the tiger wins. Now, bit of trouble. Let me say put the tiger here, and I have to capture here. I have to capture here. Now the goats have scattered around, so there is no more kill for the tiger. Oh, how many goats are there? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With 10 goats, the the goat herd will not be able to capture 4 tigers. So tiger has won. Next, let me play with 2 tigers. It's a bit tough, and I will play as a goat. Let me see what happens. So the first move is the tiger jumped from here to here, and one goat got killed. So let me capture the center. Okay, I don't know. And if I move the goat from this green goat from here to here, the tigers will be trapped. There won't be any move for. Yes, I have one with 2 tigers. Let me play with 1 tiger, and I will play as goat. Tiger has jumped from the center circle to here, the corner, killing one goat. Initially, there were 4 goats in each of the circles, so there were 16 goats and 1 tiger. Now it's 15 goats. Now what can block the tiger here? Okay. Now what? If I go here, okay. That's, now I need a bad move, a free move. Then I'll put my goat here. I'll move it from here, from this here to here. The tiger comes here. That was the only move. And if I place my goat from here to here in this circle, the tiger will get trapped. Okay, so I have one as a goat, tiger. There are some point systems, and I'm playing it quite some time. And now this is original Baghbandi. They play with 1 tiger or 2 tigers. Now I have thought of some variants. Say we are playing Baghbandi on the edges of a cube. The corners are the places where the goats and the tiger can move. Let me start the game. Let me play with 4 goats. So I have tiger here at one corner and I have 4 goats here. I have to trap the tiger and there is no killing. There is no killing because there is no place to jump along a line. So the aim of the goat is to trap the tiger as few moves as possible. So let me see. Oops. Okay. So I have trapped the tiger in 7 moves. Now this time I have played with 4 goats. So if I play with 3 goats, it's impossible to trap the tiger. Truth, it's a theorem, and I have got a proof of it. You won't be able to trap the tiger. Able to trap. Now, every time tiger has 2 adjacent circles blank, so it can move in either way. You won't be able to trap it. Seems that since there are only three possible moves for a tiger and you have 3 goats, you'll be able to block all the moves of the tiger and can trap it. But while the game runs, 2 adjacent, you won't be able to block 3 moves, three directions. You won't be able to block the tiger in three directions. How hard you try. Okay, so this is a variation, and I have thought of a bigger variation where there is no starting place for the goats. Okay, they just appear, and there is the killing, and the aim is to trap the tiger in the minimum possible move. The minimum so far is 5. So let me see how much I can do this time. So tiger is here. I place a goat here. Tiger comes here. I place a goat here. The tiger goes there. I place a goat here. No, I missed it. So I trapped the tiger in 7 moves. So this is another variation where there is starting position of the goats. They just appear in different nodes, different circles. Now this graph, this code is called the skeleton graph of dodecahedron. I am playing Baghbandi on the dodecahedron skeleton graph, but it can be played in any planar graph. So you can play with 1 tiger, 2 tigers, 3 tigers, 4 tigers, and 5 tigers. And these are the minimum moves so far I have attained. 6 for 1 tiger, 6 for 2 tigers, 7 for 3 tigers, 8 for 4 tigers, and 8 for 5 tigers. So let me play with 1. So I have to trap the tiger. Goats just appear. So I have attained the minimum, which is 6. Green. So if I play with 2 tigers, I don't know. Now it is trapped, and I did it in 10 moves, which is above the minimum, which is 6, so it is red. And there are some pointing system and some graph of how the points are going. Let's play with 5 tigers. Minimum is 8 so far. I don't think. So I took 11 moves, which is bigger than 8. So the signal is red. So this is playing Baghbandi on the dodecahedron graph. And this is a bit different. I'm playing Baghbandi on a 5x4 5 board again. The tigers and the goat can jump from can move from one circle to another. But there is the killing. But the point is that once you place a goat somewhere, the computer will also place a goat or a block that the color is blue. Whoever puts the last coin is the winner. So it's a game between me and the computer, and the tigers are also moving out randomly. So I can play with 3 tigers. Let me play with 4 tigers. These are the 4 tigers. So let me block. Let me put a goat here. The computer puts here. Whoever the last coin is the winner. So this tiger is blocked now. This tiger is also blocked. This tiger is blocked. So if I put my coin here, I win. That the tigers are all blocked. So I am the winner. Let me play how I don't know how far it goes. 5, 6, 7. Let me play 7 goats. And this is the last coin I need to put, I think. Yes, this is the last one. I'm the winner. So these are different variants of the Bakbandi game. Now what I thought further, I call it Trap Tiger, the English version of Bakbandi. So here the board is interesting. I play on this 4 by 4 board 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4. So I play in this 4 by 4 board, but the entire plane is a tiling of this 4 by 4 board. So if some coin jumps to 2 3 here, that means it goes there inside the 4 by 4 playing area. So that way I can play with. Let me play with 1 tiger, and it is asking whether I should play with automated board moves or not. So I'll play manually. So I'll give no here. These are yellow because these are the safe square. Otherwise, if I place board anywhere in the white square in the 4 by 4 area, it will get killed. If I place a goat in 1 2, the tiger will jump from 2 3 to 4 1, and it will come here. Okay, so I place a goat here. Tiger comes here. Now tiger can jump over 4 1 and goes to 1 4. That is here. So I block here. Now the tiger has moved here. It can jump over 4 1 to go to 4 4. That is here, and it's a dark yellow, deep yellow. Light yellow means these are the safe places, and deep yellow means it's a safe place, but it's also a block. It's also a block. So I put a quote here. Tiger moves here. There are several blocks now. It can from 1 1 means this is the square tiger is residing. It can jump to 3 1. 1 1 means this is the square it is jump. And the tiger is residing. It can jump here, and also it can jump over 4 4 to go to 3 3. So let me block this one. So tiger kills 1 goat, and 3 goats remain. I have to trap the tiger. The aim of the goat is to trap the tiger. This is deep yellow. It is blocking. I'll put the goat here. Whenever this is goats on the board, the count, and there is the number of clicks. So whenever tiger kills a goat, it's a flat area here. Otherwise, the count of goats are increasing. Now the tiger is getting trapped. With another 3 move, it will get trapped. So if I place a goat at c2, the tiger will be trapped. That's the end of the game. So I took 16 clicks to trap the tiger. Now playing with two goats, two tigers could be a bit difficult. Let me use auto goat. The goats will be played with by the computer also. It's three goats, four goats, five, four goats, five goats. Now the tigers are getting trapped. And that's tigers are trapped now. So one can play with two tigers. Playing with three tigers is more difficult. Goes up to I don't know. Let me play with five tigers and auto goat. It is not allowing even one goat to sit. There is no safe place on the board. So the game gets tougher and tougher as the number of tigers increase. But if you play with 16 tigers, there is no place for the tigers to move. So it's a win. Uh, it's not that always the number of tigers will increase the complexity, but in with five tigers so far, I could place only one goat. So the game continues this way. And the final version of the game is the 3D version. 3D version. These are the four partitions of a 4x4 cube. Okay, this is 111, 121, 131, 141, 211, 221, 231, 241. So this is the first partition. Then the second partition is 112, 122, 132, 142, 212, 222, 242. The third partition is 113, 123, and the fourth partition is 114, 124, 134, 144. So I can play, let me play with two tigers. The tigers can move across the partitions. So these are the safe places. The yellow ones, let me put my goat here. Let me put my goat here. Oh, one goat is killed. One goat is killed. It's a very tough. It's difficult to visualize the moves. So it's a very complicated game. Another goat is gone. Uh, now I have two goats and I can block. You have to fill 4 into 4 into 4. 64 minus 2 squares with goats. Then only the tigers will be. Now one goat is killed. It's a very difficult game, and you can rotate the cube. You can rotate the cube in different directions to judge the positions and the moves. Horizontal flip, vertical flip. Very difficult game. The original Bakbandi game is now available in for Android and iOS mobiles. The name is the game of Bakbandi. So these are Bakbandi and some of its variants. Thank you.